Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. We're on Highway 50, Lincoln Highway. This is the loneliest road in America. Named by Life magazine, 1986. It's a lot of open road. High mountain desert, big open plains, big ranches. And even some pullouts here. We're going to check out this storyboard right here. Nevada has their roads very well marked. Warm temperatures, blue skies, few clouds. There's the Lincoln Highway marker, that little cement one right there at the L. This one's talking about Jacobsville. You know, this whole stretch through here is all related to the Pony Express, the first big telegraph system that ran through here, stagecoaches. Hundreds of people used to live in Jacobsville. I mean, it's endless, the amount of history. Plus all the mining back there in Austin, just mine shafts everywhere. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. Petroglyphs, campgrounds, RVing. This is the Lincoln Highway, Highway 50. We're heading up to a little place called Middlegate. Gonna spend the night up here. You can actually camp for free in their parking lot. It's supposed to have really good food too, so we'll stop, check that out. Winding through some little hills here. You know, this whole stretch is about 240 miles between Ely and Fallon, and you can just find stuff to do the entire way. Absolutely beautiful drive. The only thing is, make sure you have a full tank of fuel because gas stations are few and far between. So you really need to fuel up in Ely before you leave. Then you got Eureka and also Austin. And you won't have any more fuel till you get clear up in Fallon. This cuts right through the central part of Nevada. We kind of parallel along Interstate 80 to the north. Vegas is way to the south. Okay, up here I was looking at the phone. I think it's called Cold Springs. There's supposed to be some ruins up here. So we'll stop and check those out too. But look at this, we get out of the hills. Bingo. Big open areas, huh? Isn't this neat? It says entry. There's a little store, motel. I think there's an RV park here. This isn't where the ruins are though. Well, we'll just do a drive-through. Yep, RV's in the back, motel. You know, I bet hunting and all that's huge here. They probably stay busy year-round. This amount of traffic, I mean, there's huge amounts of trucks that run through here. I think the ruins are right up the road. We'll find them. here we are. You could drive right past them, not even know what they were. Here's the parking area. Yeah, this is what I seen online. Now this is supposed to have been an area. Well, we'll read the storyboard. Probably be a little more accurate. See what it says. Okay, Rock Creek, Cold Spring Station, Portland Stagecoach, Pony Express, 1861, 1866, Wells Fargo Company, Fresh Horses, Blacksmith Services. There's a couple more here. A Lonely Crossroad. Wow. Then the automobile took it over the Lincoln Highway. Look at that stagecoach. Wouldn't that have been a wild ride? And there's a Transcontinental Telegraph. And what's this one? Well, it's pretty spread out, but guess what? We can just check it out right from the air. Okay, this ruins here. This was the foundation, what's left of the Transcontinental Telegraph Station. That was their maintenance station. The wires ran through there, immense amount of messages. You think Facebook was big, that was bigger. And straight off to the west, this aerial footage is brought to you by RVerTV. Okay, up here's the Overland Stagecoach Station. Now that foundation right there dates clear back to the 1860s. Isn't that something? Still there. I bet that round one was probably what? Water. A lot of horses. Who knows what it looked like back then. It's all fenced off. You can't really get into it. But isn't that cool? There you go. There's the Overland Stagecoach Station on Highway 50, the Lincoln Highway. Well, too cool for school. There's even restrooms across the way there. Little rest stop. There's the ruins right off to the right. That's something. 1860, still there. At least the foundation anyway. Alright, we're going to keep on trucking. Well, we're getting really close to Middlegate, but guess what? Right up here on the right, I seen this on YouTube. It's actually on Google Maps. We got us a shoe tree. Right here it is. Check this thing out. We gotta stop. Here's your Highway 50, loneliest road in America, shoe tree. You know, up in California, where is it? Rice, California, they got the shoe fence. Used to be a shoe tree up there. Look at the shoes hanging off the top of them. Look at all them things. That's a heck of a toss to get a pair of shoes way up there like that. Big wash here. Look how deep that is. You know, in flash floods, these deserts, they turn into raging rivers. We've had some really good monsoons this year. Look at all those shoes. My goodness. See, I need about a size 10.5, 11. I don't know if I can find a pair or not. Well, they say people just do it out of memory of somebody, or who knows. Because there is absolutely nothing around here. A little trail right there. It's even kind of amazing to have a tree that size out here. You don't see too many trees of this size. Of course, it gets lots of water out of that wash every time it rains. Right now I'm flying at about 40 feet, so someone's tossed those shoes, unless they climbed up the tree and put them up there 40 feet in the air. That's a heck of a toss. And there are just hundreds of pairs laying on the ground. Either they dropped off or they missed when they threw them. But look at the terrain of the desert. There's the wash. That's a raging river in the rains. Cuts right through. That waters that tree. Back up that direction was the stagecoach station. Way out. We're almost up to Middlegate. Well, cool little stop. Straight up here on the left, you can see the buildings of Middlegate. Finally a house. Look at that. There's a home. Somebody actually lives out here. Oh, goodness. Now this road here, we got to turn on it. Middlegate's right here to the left. With this highway right here, it would drop us down to Tonopah. We could bypass Fallon, but in the morning, we're going to continue on. There's a place called Sand Mountain Look at Middlegate Station. So I bet this has to be part of the Stagecoach and Pony Express too. Yeah, look at that. Hawthorne 87, Tonopah 140. But we're not done yet. Here it is, Middlegate Station. Now, according to the website, I did call them. You can camp here for free in the parking lot. They serve food, they got booze, drinks. Wow, they sell diesel here. I don't know if I'd want to buy it out of that old rusted up tank. There's their motel. And there's their bar. The middle of nowhere, elevation 4,600 feet, population down by 17. And yep, look at that. It's a historic place. All part of the old stagecoach and everything. Well, I'm going to get a little rest for the evening. Tomorrow we're going to go hit the road again. We still got about another 40, 50 miles to get into Fallon. We got Sand Mountain we're going to find and some more petroglyphs. Journey continues. Talk soon.